Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the screen protector case cover for Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 44mm watch. Okay, it's a bag, but let's say unboxing. Okay, yeah, it's the right size. Tempered glass. I'm still charging the actual watch itself, so I'm just gonna make sure it's the right item. Okay. We got the wipes for the watch and for the case. This is it. I have to install it, but it looks fine. A little bit of dust. That's fine. This is a bag that's important. Take it off and put it on the watch. It's not broken. Everything is in here. Not bad. Well, I got this one from eBay also. It was $8. And not bad. Got to me quickly. And nothing's missing. Thanks for watching. Okay, here's the watch. I'm gonna put the screen protector on right now as best as I can. Let's see. Pretty sure it wants me to clean the screen with it wet. And then dry it. This one. Let's open it up. Okay. Let's take this off. Okay. There you go. Screen protector fits fine. Still click the buttons. Not bad. Alright. Screen protector for, I got this on Amazon. It doesn't really have a brand. It's just screen protector for Samsung watch. Fits. Thanks for watching.